What we do is we have two mandates. The first is to promote access to justice for people with disabilities, and then we also promote education in the legal system for people with disabilities. So REACH has a roster of close to 200 lawyers in Ottawa, and they're all available to provide free pro bono legal services. We want to encourage more lawyers and more mediators to join us. It's a privilege to be a lawyer, so you want to give back to the community, and I thought this was something that interests me because there's a lot of people who are marginalized, don't understand what the law is. We have the power to affect their lives. We encourage a lot more younger lawyers to join. There's not a lot of opportunities to go to court. When you do pro bono work, you're getting instant client contact. You're having immediate effect that's affecting individual lives. We hope that we can get more young lawyers involved and that they can develop their skill set, get more experience doing litigation, and not only they give back to the community, but they'll further their career by getting litigation experience a lot earlier.
I am a second-year law student at the University of Ottawa in the Faculty of Law. I became involved in REACH in my first year, where I applied to Pro Bono Students Association. I was matched with REACH because I had an interest in working with people with disabilities. The lawyers on our roster offer up to 3 hours of free legal advice. We serve all areas of the law. Predominantly, we have a very large request for issues relating to wills and estates. All we require is that our clients be located in the Ottawa area and identify as a person with a disability. We have no financial barriers for our clients, so regardless of whether clients are employed or not, we serve them. People should get involved with REACH because we serve a fantastic community. We provide excellent legal services that are accessible to all sectors of society. We offer educational seminars, we host auctions, and at the end of the day, we provide valuable legal services to individuals who need them.
REACH has been a wonderful resource for me. I've used them in several different capacities. I met a wonderful lawyer through them. I had never heard of REACH before I found this educational event that I wanted to attend. So meeting a lawyer at that event and having that change my life completely after a traumatic car accident has been amazing. I can't even imagine my life without the contacts that I've made through REACH right now.